guys, it's your boy Smh Boom here with another ASMR number. I don't even know. I have the day off today. I didn't have to go to my class. That's my last class basically. Well, I got this one and then Wednesday and then that's it. I'm done. And all it is, it's a review after the exams. And I'll be done. And I didn't want to go, but I went. And then after that, I hit the gym real quick. And after the gym, came home, took a shower, got dressed, and now I'm about to have me a quick lunch because I'm about to go to this like Christmas tree like expo thing at the museum over here downtown where I live. And me and a friend are gonna go check it out and see what it's all about. What? And that rhymes because I'm a rapper. No, but I did go to the gym, and they looked at me like, like deers in the headlights, man. They were just like, "Where you been?" Because I haven't been to the gym in a couple weeks. And I've talked about this before. Like, you walk in, and they're like, "Where you been?" It's like, dude, I've been eating cake. Okay, I've been eating cake. All right, and I'm gonna come in here for 45 minutes, do my thing, then I'm gonna go to and get a meatball sub. Okay, because I gotta do an ASMR video. But I kind of made myself the same promise I did last year. As soon as January 1st comes, I'm gonna get back on my diet and my calorie counts and my working out and all that crap. So I expect a lot of boring meals. Oh, you can still have really great sounds with salads and healthy food. No, you can't. No, you can't. I don't give a fuck how. No. Unhealthy food ASMRs will always beat healthy food ASMRs. Comment and let me know. Anyways, speaking of healthy foods, I got spicy nacho Doritos. I got a pickle and a meatball sub from this place. It's not that great, to be honest with you, but let's try it out. Oh my god, every time you clean your mouth with paper towels, it's like nails to a chalkboard ass. Guys, I'm already eating with like my mouth open and all sloppy and everything because that makes better sounds. I'm not gonna, on top of that, like, leave all the mess on my fucking face. Why are you cussing someone? Why are you swearing? Shut up. Jesus. Sensitive. Oh, and I have some sweet tea. Some southern style sweet tea. And this big ass fucking glass, dude. Thirsty much. It's Milo's sweet tea. Good old southern sweet tea from Alabama. Shit is bomb. This meatball grinder, no, that's what they call it in the certain part of the northeast of America where I'm from. They call it a grinder. Other places they call it Heroes, Hoagies, subs, whatever, yada yada yada. But this particular place, somebody told me that, oh, it's been around forever. They make great like northeastern, like New York-ish type of like subs, and I was like, yeah, right. I went down there, saw it, does not look great, and it only looks this good because I spruced it up, I toasted it, I re-toasted it in my toaster oven, and I added some of my cheese and some of my like oregano and parmesan and garlic powder is like sitting in my stomach. I love it. So I'm really starting to get into like the Christmas spirit. I've been wearing a Santa hat when I'm working. I do it every year. I wear a Santa hat. And whenever I'm working, instead of saying like, "Hey, how you doing? Hey, alright, see you later," whatever, I try to say Merry Christmas as much as possible. Because 90% of the time, when you say to somebody, and you don't know them, you don't know if they're having a bad day, a good day, you don't know what the fuck they're going through, and you don't want to know. 90% of the time when you say that to somebody, they will turn around, smile back at you, and I like to point at you for some reason in this video, and they'll say Merry Christmas back. And for that moment, put them in a better mood, or maybe a better mood for their whole day. Yep. Sharing some good deeds all day. Oh, saying Merry Christmas isn't a good deed. You're just blah, blah, blah. The only thing I can't stand about Christmas right now is shopping. And I got a couple things left I have to get. But I want to get my brother's dog a Christmas gift. They just got a brand new husky. Like brand new. It's it's a 14 model. It's a 2014 model. Now it's like they got a new husky a few months back. She's still a puppy. But it's a husky. And in my family, we love huskies and German shepherds. I have a German shepherd, but we're from Connecticut, so if you're from Connecticut, the state of Connecticut, their mascot for the university is huskies. So go Yukon Huskies. And I gotta get on Amazon and order. There's like this shirt, a sweater that their puppy can wear that says "Go Yukon," and there's a collar with a bandana on the back that says Yukon Huskies. I might also have to get them on Auburn, Alabama, not Alabama, Auburn War Eagle bandana as well for the dog, because my brother's an Auburn fan. Unfortunately, roll tide. What's everybody getting me for Christmas? Make sure to check the description. I got my P.O. box right down there. Send me all your gifts. Ya tú sabes. This girl I used to hang out with, she was 100% Mexican, but she was adopted by a Jewish family in Connecticut, and she knew nothing about Mexican culture. She didn't know any Spanish, and bless her heart, she's so cute. She was like, I would say to her like "Ya tú sabes," which means you already know, and she would say it like this. She'd be like, "Ye tú sabes." She's so cute.